What's up, y'all? My name is Angie, and today I'm going to give y'all a room tour. Today is like a Monday morning. I just cleaned my room, so I'm just like, why not just do a room tour? Because nobody ever comes inside my room, so it's looking cute for no reason. So I decided to put it on YouTube, make a video of how it looks. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to speak through everything and give y'all a little insight of how my room looks and how I keep it organized and clean. So let's start. So on this wall right here, I have some drawings that I've made over the years in school and art classes that I decided to put on my wall and cover with some Christmas white lights. And you can kind of just casually just see I have this thing from Sight and Sound in Pennsylvania. Olaf Snowman. This is my pet peeve, is a butterfish, and we got him from the dollar store, literally. And he's been doing well in his tank. And I got this A. It has like little jingle bells, a bowl or something. And then I have this bear holding a flower. Have some of my drawings, paintings. Got this miracles happen every day. My school schedule, some due dates and for assignments. In my bed, I got this pink throw blanket at the end. Here's another painting that I recently did in school. And some college that I'm not going to go to. Okay. If I move over here, on this side of my window is just my pink curtains and pink and purple curtains. And on this wall right here is a bear. Just random stuff that we have in my room. I don't know the code to this, but it has something in here. So you can open it if you really wanted to, but I don't know that code. Over here I got some Polaroids from my Instax Mini 9 camera. So some more awards from school, different year. Some more awards, things like that I just kept. Here is a calendar. But it's 2019 now, so it's time to get a new one. If you move over to this corner, is like my favorite chill spot, and it's my chair. And basically, I just have like my iPhone case and a bunch of different, my iPhone box and a bunch of different cases on top. And in here, I have pens and things like that, just random stuff. Some chapstick, lotion, perfume, some earbuds, some Beats headphones. Right here is a yoga book, and it's so cool. So I'm telling you to invest in one of these because these are amazing if you just like something small and you just want to get into it. So right here is the vanity I was talking to you guys about with the box. I recently got this. It's amazing. And it could play music while you get ready. Here's another speaker. It's a gift. It's a Vizio 360 speaker. It's super loud, and more music the better. Turn this off. Up here I have the camera for these pictures I was telling you about, and some cards from people, some watch boxes. These are some default pictures that I have here, and this tape sitting here. This is a really bad room tour, but if you have eyes and you can see, you can kind of just look at it. Some extra film. I had a 5S, and these are the cases for the 5S. Over here, I have a little fan thing for your phone. some EOS that's never been opened, some more random stuff, and some things with like a watch box. I think I made this years ago, and I still have it. Like a heel piggy bank, a picture I took and framed. Up in this shelf is Life is a Beautiful Ride. All you need is love and the dog. Right here is a Six Flags ticket. It was October 31st when we went. And over here is a family portrait and a wallet, a clock. Oh my gosh, I can't speak for nothing. And up here I have a basket, a letter A, a fake passport, and some DVDs that probably don't have DVDs inside. A beer and a sharpener. And that tell you about, this is my pocket wallet, this is my purse wallet, so, and a water bottle. And over here is another window. And another dresser. And this is, I had a TV here, like a stand for a Connect and an Xbox and things like that, but I didn't use it that much. So if you want this, let me know. I have all the plugs, and right here I have some big cards, some massage thing, a hat that I don't wear, and over here in this corner, if you can see, I'll take it out for you guys. This is a clarinet that I don't play. Look, a lot of stuff just sits around. This is my tennis racket that I have in here. And right here, I just make use of my space by taking one of these and putting my wires through, stick it on, and leave it on the side of my dresser. And over here, I have a bunch of stickers that I've just been gathering. And where do you put stickers when you get them? So I just put them on my dresser. Okay. Over here, I have a Five Below pair of headphones. Five Below. Do not get Five Below headphones. This makes no sense. Okay. I have Keep Calm, Stay Positive, and this little empty. I'm supposed to put Misty in here, but I don't have a picture that small. So. I have more watch boxes. Oh my goodness. I have this candle. There's actually a watch in here that's never been taken out. And this is my radio and phone. Over here I got some flowers. A picture of my dad. He passed away. So it's in here. So got some lotion. Some different things in my hair. And brushes and things. I drew this actually in one of my art classes. It's one of my best ones. And I love it so much. I have a butterfly up here. So we turn in the corner right now. And I got these sunglasses. I keep saying I got these. I got these. These, I stapled it into the wall. And yeah. And just to make use of, I have a bunch of sunglasses to make use of space. I just stick them on a piece of string. And I got this Paris sign. This is a foldable chair I have behind here. And over here is you, Angela. I used to have birds. I'm crazy about birds, and I drew that as a parakeet or whatever. So over here I have a picture of me, black and white. I play piano, so I got piano. Some adventure stickers, some musical notes. I have one that says smile. This is a zoom in mirror. This is kind of cool. But it zooms in and you get that 5x look, whatever. And over here is a toy box. But in here is a bunch of clothes messed up. But I know everything is. It's messy, but I can go straight to the drawer and get what I want. And over here, I brought this from a thrift store because I needed some place. As you can see, I brought your watches. So I needed some place to keep my watches. So I thought this would be cool in my room where I can just keep like watches and bracelets, things like that. Give you a little look at it. What's it look like? So over here, I have a bunch of lotions, sprays, piggy bank, these. It's a bunch of like little tags from like glues, I guess. It's crazy glue, like guitar strings, mints. And this one has like earbuds, chapstick, portable charger, things like that is in there. So I'm gonna give you another overview of the whole room and then that'll be done in the video. That's basically it. So alright guys, that's the end of this video. If you have any more ideas on what I should do and to be more specific about, and just let me know in the comments. Alright, peace. I forgot to mention the coolest part of these lights is having the outlet right on top of my bed where I can just charge my phone while in my bed.